Oh my god！ 我觉得一定要做那种真实的。哦，你还没看过我会摇的那个，就是在马来西亚拍的。
You think I can sell this on internet for 1 million? So this is, you come all the way from India to do this? Yes. Why can't you do this in Bombay?
Bombay.
Huh?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. You're from Indian movies, a lot of singing and dancing, eh?
It's a part of their culture, and you can't remove songs and dance from their movie.
Now they're getting romantic there, eh?
Yeah.
But you cannot kiss, eh?
Can, but
Oh,
it depends on the...
watch out where his hand is going. Look
It
at this.
goes along with the story.
Look at this. Where is he? What's going on here? Is it a porn movie?
Huh?
A porn movie?
No.
Why he cannot keep his hand to himself? No, they already finished. Well, I go continue with my bird watching. Good luck with movie.